I had a thought which I wanted to share. The truth is that each worshipper of false deities only worships their own desires. Their deities are just a physical manifestation of their desires which they worship. This is obvious, as a person who worships a deity in the form of an idol knows that the lifeless idol cannot command them to live their life a certain way, so the worshipper themselves decides how they imagine their lifeless idol would like them to live. And this code of conduct is based on nothing but their own desires. Therefore, their worship of their desires is the root of their worship. The influential and rich are more drowned in this mentality, as they are aware that accepting the truth, meaning Islam, will force them to live according to a specific code of conduct, which will prevent them from acting on their misguided desires. They advise others to follow them, as they do not wish to lose their influence and authority. This is why history has shown they were the first to reject and oppose the holy prophets, peace be upon them. This attitude has nothing to do with Islam being the right or wrong religion based on clear evidence. It is simply about fulfilling one's desires. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.